Hey guys, Elizabeth here, and I just wanted to make this video. I guess it's kind of a tutorial. I've noticed that a lot of my videos were having borders on the ends of them, and I couldn't figure out why. I found out that I was on widescreen. Well, I put it on standard, and it fixed my videos. But now, when I try to put in my in card, it's got a border. I've been trying to fix that, and I think I found a way. Well, at first I need to show you what I found. You need a picture 4x3, not, or, whatever. And my pictures are all 16:9. Well, when I went into Pixlr and I cropped it, it looks weird now. So I figured I would take my picture from, just a personalized picture that I have, and I would crop out the back like so, like this. And I have the whole back completely taken out. And then I saved it, and then I went to the website photoscissors.com, and then I completely took out the black, and now it's all pretty and nice, and I saved it. Now I have my background here, and I'm hoping I can transform it to where it is the right size. So I'll get right back to you when I get the size. Okay, so this is how it looks. I had to stretch out the background a little bit, so if it looks a little distorted, that's why. But I think it looks fine. Like, it's not too noticeable. Though I hope the videos don't cover up like half of the screen. I'm not sure how it'll show up yet. If I need to tweak it a little anymore, I will, but this is how it is. So let's see if it works. And there you go. I don't know if this will work for everyone, because not everyone saves their pictures like I do. I make my pictures in MS Paint, so it's easy to crop around everything and fill in the spots. But this is a good rough idea of a way for you to be able to fix it. So you can twist this idea any way you want and make it work for you. Anyway, I'm going to leave this video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit that bell if you ever, so you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!